Check this out. We're at a basement in Robbinsville. That's the entrance. We're going to have a bar here. Really nice bathroom, kind of close to the door. This will be glass French doors into another room. We'll have like an open theater set up right here with this half wall. As you come through, we're going to have a nice custom built-in right here. This archway leading into an office with glass French doors. And you can see over here, we're going to have the half wall. But what's really cool is, check this out. You see that soccer ball is going to be a fake net under this custom built-in, and this panel is going to move. So it's going to look like a finished wall unit. All right, let's check my skills. Well, I guess that's why I wrestle. All right, guys, this is going to be cool.